Digital marketing course for beginners, part 3. Okay, so if you haven't listened to the first 2 videos in this playlist in the series, you want to go back and do that. There is a part 1, part 2. This is part 3. Now in this part here, it's really exciting because I'm going to get into phone marketing, and it's not what you think, and TV marketing, not what you think, and we're getting ready to start right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you're brand new here, take a look around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's right down there. You want to hit that subscribe button, smash it, and ring the bell. Turn on your bell notifications. So important you do that. You'll become part of the Fisher family if you turn on all notifications, and I can notify you every single time I do a new video. Don't forget to put your comments below. This is your channel. This is a channel where I actually share with you how I made money online. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, but I want to give you what you want to learn. So put in the comments below what you're interested in, what you want to learn, what you liked, what questions you have. I want some interaction from you. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you think is appropriate. All right, let's get started with this section. Number 3, don't forget to go back and watch number 1 and number 2, but let's get into number 3 right now. Now, TV advertising has been around such a long time. It's like the Goliath. It seems like it'll never go away. However, that's starting to change now because there's places like Google Video, YouTube. Okay, YouTube has come around, and since YouTube has come around, the efficiency of advertising on TV has dropped dramatically. There has been YouTubers out there that have built their audiences that are actually bigger than the television stations now because they have a certain style. They were able to reach a certain niche, and these people actually have channels that are better to advertise on than the TV shows because the TV shows are targeted towards everybody. It's not a targeted audience, whereas the subscribers to some of these YouTube channels know exactly what they're getting, and they'll keep watching and keep, you know, commenting and interacting with these things, whereas in TV they don't feel like they're really targeted. They don't feel like they're part of it the way they do on a YouTube channel. But you got to ask yourself, why are TV viewers still watching 4 hours a day on average, and yet the commercials are almost worthless? And it's like I just said, they aren't specific. They aren't specific to the viewer. You know, if I put an ad on there for a couch and I'm selling my couch, and I've got, you know, 3 million people watching a show, what percent of the people really want a couch? Whereas if I put my couch ad on a channel on YouTube and it's about decorating your home, I know I'm reaching the exact audience that I want to reach. And let's face it, nowadays people watch TV on demand. A lot of those commercials don't even get watched. They're going to watch it on demand. They're going to maybe record it and later on just fast forward through all the commercials. So they're not even going to see the commercials that are in some of these shows that are on TV right now. So that makes those commercials a whole lot less likely to get any results whatsoever. And how do you know if you even got results when you put an ad on a television show or on a movie on TV? You don't know that the people coming into your business even came off that ad or not. There is a TV ad that is still worth paying for, but it's going to cost you, and it's going to cost you in a big way. Remember back in one of the previous videos, and I was talking about how expensive those big billboards are in Times Square? Well, this one has got all those billboards trumped. A 60-second commercial during the Super Bowl at the time of this recording was about $4.5 million for 60 seconds. $4.5 million. But I want you to keep in mind, those ads are watched. People actually tune into the Super Bowl just to watch the entertaining ads. But that's the operative part. They've got to be entertaining. Here's something cool that I ran across. 10% of the TV commercials related shares on social media come from Super Bowl ads.
What's that?
Reese's Take 5 bar. Chocolate, peanuts, caramel, peanut butter, pretzels.
Never heard of it.
Where have you been? Under a rock?
New to me.
What, were you born yesterday?
Really, Trish?
Me neither.
Were you raised by wolves?
Really insensitive, Trish.
Are you clueless? Head in the sand?
That's offensive, Trish.
Yeah, Trish.
You from another planet?
I never heard of Take 5 neither. Again!
Oh, Trish, none of us have heard of Take 5, so who looks stupid now?
Reese's Take 5, the best bar you've never heard of.
Now, if your commercial makes it to the blacklist, what's that? Well, that's the commercials that the network decides can't be shown on TV. That increases the viral effect of your ad online. Take this ad here from Carl's Jr. with Charlotte McKinney on it. They would not allow this ad on TV, and of course it went viral.
I love going all natural. It just makes me feel better. Nothing between me and my 100% all natural, juicy, grass-fed beef.
Introducing the all-natural burger, the first ever in fast food, with no antibiotics, no added hormones, and no steroids. Only at Carl's Jr.
As a matter of fact, Super Bowl commercials have one of the highest conversion rates of any type of commercial on TV, bar none. Now once they've been on the Super Bowl, they actually become like a viral asset, if you will. This famous commercial here by Star Wars type commercial, in which Volkswagen did, actually generated 62 million views online, and it was all about let the force be with you. But unfortunately, that 200 billion that companies have spent worldwide on television ads are becoming more and more worthless, because every 10th person in the US now has Netflix. TV as we know it today will die. It's going to be gone. It's going to change. But everything does. You know, I always see people who say, oh my God, it's a shame that industry died, or you know, those restaurants went out of business, or this department store went out of business. It did, and it's gone, and it's a shame, but there's going to be something else that's going to fill it, and it's probably going to be better. Now if you don't plan on doing some type of offline digital marketing, there is still one area that works, and I know we're all irritated by it, but it does work, and that is phone marketing. Now mobile phone marketing is not necessarily what you think it is. I know we get a lot of telemarketers, and that is part of it, but that's not all of it. Most people are getting almost all their contents off their smartphone now, and that's a great place to run your ads. Here's a crazy statistic for the year 2020. As much money will be spent on mobile ads as there is on all television ads. Now there's also, outside of those ads, two other great ways to market to smartphones. The first one is calling. Okay, if you want to call, you can do the calls. Also texting. Texting is a great way to advertise. I know the software we use, which is Kartra, and you can look down in the description there. You can watch a free video on Kartra, but you can do phone marketing from your list. You actually gather the people's phone numbers, and you can send out text to people on your list, advertising whatever products, services, downloads, whatever you have. You can actually reach them on their phone now through text. Most people will look at the text they get nowadays, especially if it's from somebody they know. If it's a random text, I know I get random texts, I just delete them. But if it's from a company I know, I'm probably going to look at. I know I get one from Chili's almost every single night for a free appetizer, a free dessert, some type of discount, and you know, I don't delete them. I'll leave it on there because I figure one night maybe I'll be ordering and maybe I'll want one of those things. It's free, so I'll keep those on my phone. So if you have a trusted company that you like, and they send you some text with specials on there, you're probably going to leave them on there and every now and then use them. Calling people's phones is irritating, and I know I don't listen to them, but some people do. And right now, while it's roughly 3 sales per day, they need to call about 52 people on average to get those 3 sales. So it's not as scalable, but it does work. It's out there. And I think a lot of times we look at stuff and we go, well, I don't want to do that because it doesn't work like it used to. Well, nothing works like it used to. It's going to be better or it's going to be worse, but if it's still profitable to you, you may want to investigate it. The one thing's for sure, when you get a text, it's rare that you won't even look at what it says. Okay, that's pretty rare. You're going to probably hit it and you're probably not going to like it or whatever, and you may delete it, but almost assuredly somebody's going to look at the text that you send. That's not always true with email or billboards or TV ads or anything like that. I'd say the best way to get them looked at is get permission. You know, let the person know that they opted in to the Domino's pizza ad or to the Pizza Hut ad, or you know, whatever it is, the Taco Bell ad. And if you opt into that, those people are obviously interested in your food. They're pretty likely to look at whatever special that you're sending them. Here's an example one right here. Look at her Pizza Hut text message deals. Text pizza to 69488 to get unreal deals sent right to your phone. So people actually opt in to get these specials. So what do? You have people sign up. You let people know that if they sign up for your text list that they will get specials through text from your company. Now Redbox did a special, and yes, people still do rent DVDs at the time of this recording, but they had their customer text deals to a particular number, and when they did this they would get a random discount anywhere from 10 cents to $1.50 on a movie rental. When they did that, within 10 days they got connected with 400,000 customers and generated over $1.5 million in sales. So yeah, it does work. You can also use text reminders. Maybe you're doing a webinar, maybe you're having a sale. You know, you can use these text reminders to remind people of certain dates that are coming up, certain times that are coming up, to get a better show rate. So that's the overall in digital marketing. In the next video I want to show you how to get the skills to actually do this. This is video 3, the next one's video 4. Don't forget, go back and watch video 1 and 2. It is a 4-part series. You'll want to watch every single one of these videos. Now if you have questions about what I talked about in this video, please put your comments below. Send me any questions you have. Let me know what you're doing for marketing. Have you tried any of these things? Are you doing text marketing? Text marketing is a great way to build your list and to get customer loyalty. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget, ring the bell, turn on bell notifications. You got to do that. If you turn on all notifications, that way I can let you know every single time I do a video. You're part of the Fisher family VIP group who gets notified before everybody else. You don't have to go around looking for these videos. They're brought to you. Makes it simple and easy. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either one you want, but give me some interaction. I appreciate you listening. I'll see you in video 4. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.